This conference will now be recorded.
Right. So we developed some reports, we developed it. As of now, where those reports are physically saving into our local machine, right? Those all reports are saving locally in our machine, in our hard disk, somewhere in the C drive, somewhere in the D drive. We are saving that one in the form of PBIX file format. We are saving it. Is it possible to access my laptop C drive? Is it possible to access my laptop C drive by business users? My business users can able to access my laptop these reports.
No, no.
Suppose my all reports are available here. Let us assume like that. Is these reports are able to access by business?
No, no.
No. So end of the development of your report, you need to publish that report into either Power BI service, which is managed by Microsoft. It's a cloud platform. We have to go and we have to push to that place, or we have to maintain your own server. You have to maintain locally. You have to maintain your own server. You have to maintain locally. You have to maintain. So if you want to maintain locally, there is a Power BI report server is available. You can take help of that one. But most of the times we are going to use Power BI service only. We are going to use it to push the things. Same logic is applicable with Tableau also. Tableau also has two components. One is known as Tableau desktop. Second is known as Tableau server. Once they develop the things, then they're going to push into the Tableau server. Similarly, once we develop the Power BI report here, we are trying to push into the Power BI service. We are going to push it. Power BI service, we are going to push it. So we are doing the first activity in that one, upload Power BI report and pin the visualizations. We are trying to open one of the report, open the lab4 starting.pbx file. This file is available in our local machine, it's available. And this one, we are trying to push into the service, we are trying to push it. Okay, home, go to the home, click on the publish, then select our My Workspace and click on the select. If prompted, sign in using account used to sign up for the Power BI service. For Power BI service, you do not have any account, for example. First time we are listening this word, Power BI service, you don't have any account. Then we have to sign up for the Power BI service, you have to sign up. You have to sign up for the Power BI service, you have to sign up. If you click on the sign up link, then it's going to ask you, okay, sign up, enter your work email address. Unfortunately, you may not have work email address if you're not working anywhere. So what I did is, I have the work email address I created here already. I am going to share that email address to you. With that one, we have the workspaces available. You can practice this one. Okay, right. I will share that. If you have already working somewhere, then your domain related, suppose you're working for the TCS, then romready@tcs.com, you have to type here. Your work email ID, whatever available, that you have to pass it. Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff mails, those all things are not accepted here. Public domain mails are not accepted. Okay, anyhow, I am going to give one ID I am going to give to you, don't worry. Now, once the report is published, okay, then click on the got it. That means it is published, is completed. Start an internet browser, go to the app.powerbi.com, then sign in using your account, then try to go to the lab4 and try to develop one report on dashboard, something like this. We are trying to develop the dashboard. Let us see how we can do that one. Okay, I am going to the Power BI. This is what the Power BI, whatever I have. I am trying to close this, whatever I have it, I am trying to close this yellow window, and I am trying to open the one of the PBX file I am trying to open. Generally, I get all our files in our labs. I kept it. So now I want to go for lab 4. In the lab 4, there is starting.pbx file is available. I am trying to open that one. So one PBX file I opened from our desktop. In fact, our lab data, whatever we have it from there, I opened it. Here I can see reports are available. YTD sales and units, there is one page. Sales report is the second page. Yearly trend is the third page. Products is the fourth page. Total 4 reports are available with me. Total 4 reports are available with me. Now this one I want to publish to the server. I want to publish it. You see in the top, there is an option called as publish option is available. Publish this report to Power BI on the web. If you click on this publish, then you are going to get here one window, Microsoft Power BI desktop. Do you want to save your changes? Click on the save option. Now it is going to open one window. So it's working on it. And once it is saved, it is going to open one window. Right now, you can notice I have here 2 workspaces. I'm able to see it. One is my workspace. Second is COVID-19 workspace. Generally, for in our case, you'll see only my workspace. You are going to see it. And also notice that here it is not asked me username and password also not asked me. Username and password also not asked me.
Yeah.
It is
Hello.
yeah.
It is asking the signing the password.
That's correct. I will give that signing the password, those information. For me, it is not
Okay.
asked because
You are already logged in, no?
yeah, I already logged in. System remembered my name things. Let me give here.
Okay.
Try to use these details so that it will work. So I am sharing it. So Power BI, just I remove it. Username is ramreddy@dataexa.com. Password is RR capital ITC small 123. Soumya, you also can use same username and password.
Can you share the chart in chart window?
I shared in the chat window only.
Here I got the
In the WebEx
Username
chat.
is Ram Reddy or the
Yeah, RAM Ram, Reddy @dataexa.com is the username. Password is RR capital ITC small 123. Okay, now I am selecting here, for example, my workspace. Then if I say click on the select, then it is saying as publishing the lab 4 whatever available, starting.pbx to Power BI. Now, once it is completed publishing, it is going to give you 2 options. You want to open that one directly from here, and you want to see the insights about it. Insights means like some metrics, some mean, median, mode, min, max, count, this kind of statistics related insights, it is going to show it. Okay, still it is publishing it. Once it is completed, we are going to see those options. Yeah, now see here what it's saying.
successful.
Access. So now open the lab for directly. If you click on it, it will open that one. Get quick insights means we are going to get the metrics like statistical related metrics. We are going to get it. Time being, I am going for open lab 4 starting.pbx in Power BI. If I click on that one, I got here one URL and it's asking me username also it is asking looks like. System not remembered my username now in this browser. So I need to provide my sign in. I am providing the sign in. Click on the sign in. Okay, unfortunately, the moment I clicked on the sign in, system taken my username and password. It is logging in. You can see here in this corner what is the username it is using. What is the username it is using? Myla
Ram.
Ramreddy dataexa.com is using the username. And
1 minute,
whatever I
Ram.
published, yeah,
Ram, 1 minute. Yeah, it is asking my workspace and COVID both are. Can I select both one or only my workspace only? Can I select it?
any one you can select.
My workspace. Can I select it?
Yeah, you can select my workspace.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Right now we can notice we got here lab 4 starting. Okay, data uploaded 7/9/20. I think today is the 7/9/20, right? As for the Indian calendar, today is the 7/9/20, 7th month, 9th day, and 2020. That's what it is giving, the timestamp it is giving. And you noticed we have 4 pages in that one. You can notice this one. First page is what? YTD sales and units is the first page. Same YTD sales and units we are seeing over there. That is the first page. Here, this is the first page, what it is occurring. YTD sales and units is the first page, what it is occurring. Now, what is second page we have here? We have second page as sales report is the second page. And we are seeing here also sales report is the second page, what you are seeing it. And whatever the shape we are seeing, sales report below here, and this, total 4 things are available. Same 4 things are seeing or not? And third, we have here yearly trend. Here also we have here yearly trend is available. This is the one page, whatever available, the same page we are seeing here. And last 4 products we have here, 4th page, whatever we have the logo, then some kind of graphs, here some slicer, same thing we are seeing in the products also, we are trying to see same thing. So whatever report I opened and I am able to publish to here, right? I'm able to publish to here. Now what I want I want to share this to my business. That is what our second activity, what I have it. I want to share this to the business. I want to share it. How I can go and I can share dashboard and update the report. Okay, here we are saying as click on my workspace, click on the dashboard, whatever you have it, and click on the dashboard, click on the share button to share your dashboard. There is an option called as, here you can notice what is the first button we have here. You need to know these all buttons, whatever we have it, you need to know. What is the first button we have? Hide the page pan, current page products. Let us say if you click on that one, this page span is hidden. This page span is hidden. If you click again, we are going to get here the page span, we are going to get it. That is the first button.
Okay.
The second button we have here, export. You can go and you can export this one in the PDF format, in the PowerPoint format, or in the print format, you can export it. Third button we have here that is called as share. This is what I am expecting here, share. Share this dashboard to whom? To my business. If you click on the share, then it is asking you share only users with Power BI Pro. Power BI Pro is the one license actually, will have access to this report. Recipient will have the same access as you unless row level security on the data set further restricts them. Grant access to which mail ID? You can provide here the mail ID. In my case, actually, I have 2 mail IDs are available, sir. One is ramreddy at dataexa.com. Another is info@dataexa.com. If any one of you want a new mail ID, let me know. This dataexa.com is ours only. I can create one mail ID and I can give it. But I think at this point of time, whatever I give username and password, with that we'll be able to survive. So we are trying to select, for example, info@dataexa.com. That means I am sharing the report from whom to whom I am sharing, from ramreddy@dataexa.com to info@dataexa.com I am sharing. Please go on mute. If you want, you can reply in the chat, you can reply. Some noise I am listening. Okay. I am sharing this one from the ramreddy@dataexec.com to info@dataexec.com. I am sharing it. Am I clear? Now, I am also giving some permissions here. Allow recipient to share your report. Allow recipients to build new content using the underlying data sets. Send an email notification to recipients. Include my changes, whatever I do it. Down the line, if I whatever I do, those things also. This is the report link, what it is going to pass to them. Now, I want to write some comment line here. You can do it. Okay, please find Ram Reddy developed dashboard. Suppose something like this, I given some information. If I click on the share, now we are going to get one window. It's saying as your report has been shared successfully. If it is shared successfully, then if I go to the other window, I mean to say other user, there I can see this dashboard. You will be able to access it. If I go to the, let me go for a private window. There is an option called as new incognito window, which is nothing but it's a private window. I am going to this private window. Then I am trying to type here app.powerbi.com. I am typing. Then it is asking sign in. Let me sign in here. Then it is asking to sign into the account. I am providing here info@dataexec.com. Click on the next. Click on the sign in. Do this, reduce the number of times you are asked to sign in. Don't, okay. So now we are getting here one more login I taken. With that login, I logged here. Shared with me, I have one option here, right? Here I have one option called as shared with me. I have one option is available. Did you notice here lab 4 starting is shared here? When it is shared here, a minute ago it is shared. That means just now shared
sure.
it. By whom it is shared it?
Myla.
To who is the site? Which page I am there now? I am in info@dataexec.com. So ramreddy@dataexec.com shared to info@dataexec.com shared it, and that is available in the shared with me. It is available. It is similar to Google Drive. In the Google Drive, also same functionality is working, right? In the Google Drive, one document is available. I can right click and I can click on the share, and I can provide the email address of to whom I have to share it. If I provide OK, then that will go and try to sit in the shade with me only. It is going to sit. It's same terminology we have here. And if I click on here, this lab 4 starting whatever available, I want to go for seeing this report. You can click on that one, then you can see it. However, yeah, you should be Power BI Pro user to use that one. info@dataexec.com I created long ago. 60 days for any mail ID you create it. For first 60 days, Power BI Pro license you can use it, sir, free of cost. After 60 days, it will be expired. You have to purchase it. So info@dataexec.com Power BI Pro access, I lost it. That's what I'm not able to open this one. Whereas ramreddy@dataexec.com I created that has the option to play around it. Once that also lasts that 60 days, I'll create one more ID. I'm going to create it. That's how it happens. Am I clear? All what will happen is if you click on that one, same report is able to enjoy it. That's it. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. Now let me go back to ramreddy sign-in page. This is the ramreddy sign-in page where I am. Okay, with this I can say the lab 2, whatever we have it access to, share the dashboard and update the report, whatever we have it, we completed. Now, third one we have here, schedule the data refresh. Scheduling the data refresh. Tell me, this is the report, whatever we have it. From where we are getting these numbers, this data? This data we are getting from MS Office Access database. Let us go and try to see your original desktop report. In this desktop report, if I go to the data page or go to the query editor page directly, let us go to the edit queries. If you go to the edit queries window, I come to know these queries are coming from where I come to know. Suppose I have here something which is known as international sales is available. Okay, international sales, go to error. Okay, it has some other thing is pointing, but it is a Excel file only. Country population, that also showing error. Products is not a valid path. Okay, anyhow, this is what files are it is, tell me. Power BI ACC DB is what file? It is a our access database file, right? Okay, it is accessing from this location, it is accessing, but this file is not available in this location, so it is making some kind of yellow mark it is making. So let us change this path so that it will work for me. I am going to the location where I have that file. I have the file in the location called as ITEC training assets. In this location, I have the file known as Power BI ACC DB. Let me copy this path here and paste here. So I am trying to paste here. Now pressing the enter. Now it's trying to load here. Perfect. Now products table is debugged properly. Similar job do for this manufacturer also. The manufacturer source. This is where it is making the some trouble. So now I am trying to change this one to something like this. Enter. Okay, we are able to access it. We're able to access it. Something like that, we can go on, we can correct. But what I'm trying to say is, this file is coming from where? Access database, right? This access database, someone went and something modifications they did it. I want those modified data I want into my Power BI service means I need to have some kind of refresh interval or not. That's what I am trying to understand here, how to schedule my data refresh. How to schedule my data refresh. End of the day, whenever you published something, let us go and try to see this one. What is this ID info? Yeah, this is Ram Reddy, right? Now, if you go to the My Workspaces here, in the My Workspace, you published only report. However, you notice here I have something which is known as data sets also available. I have what is this? Data set. If you see the lab 4 starting, whatever we have it. Lab 4 starting is also one of the data set. If you go for the data sets, whatever we have it, let me go to the My Workspace. So this is a My Workspace. When this data set is published, sir, when this data set is published, 7/9/20/937, that is today only it is published, right? Though you are publishing only a report, but report related data sets also will be published here. Report related data sets also will be published here.
Okay.
Now, how our this Microsoft Power BI service will access your MS Office Access database, which is located in your local machine. Which is located in your local machine, how it will be going to access it? Is it possible to access like that? If not, what way we are going to do that? Are you getting my point?
Yeah, yes. I think Microsoft access the database.
How it will access? It is available in my local desktop, right?
Yeah. When we are
See,
publishing the data, the Power BI file and the data will also going to
yeah,
publish, right?
data is same. Whatever data now it is available, it is there, already there. But
Oh,
what is my question is,
Okay.
Today night, I added some data into my file here. My local machine, whatever I have the file here, I'm going to add some data here. If I added some data here, then how that will be coming to Power BI?
Oh, okay.
Got my point?
Yeah, yes.
That's what I need to go for, schedule the data refresh. So far, the report you uploaded is rather static. That means if the data in the Access database changes, the report and dashboards are not updated. If I go back end and if I change some data in the Access database, still my report will not change. So you can install Power BI Personal Gateway and schedule the data refresh for on-premise data sources such as Access database like that. So that's whatever you change in the database. Let us say every day 10 o'clock you said like, okay, refresh it. Then it access your local machine, and whatever latest data is available, it will pick that latest data and it will push to the Power BI service. So who is the mediator here between your computer and the Microsoft computer? Who is the mediator? Power BI Personal Gateway. Power BI Personal Gateway is a mediator between your local desktop and Power BI service. Got my point?
Yes, yes. It's clear now.
Okay. Now, how to install this Power BI Personal Gateway and how to map to your local machine, we have to understand.
Yeah.
Right. On the Power BI website, click on the My Workspace, click on the data sets, click on the lab for starting, and click on the schedule refresh icon. So before doing this one, you need to make sure you installed here. You can install Power BI Desktop, schedule on-premise data sources. How to do that one, we have to learn here. Let us go here. This is our app.powerbi.com website. There in this corner, you see one triple dots are available. There is a download is available. In this download, there is an option called as data gateway option is available. You click on this data gateway. You click on this data gateway and try to install this software. You click on this data gateway and try to install this software. Once you install this software, if you go and try to click on this schedule refresh, if you click on the schedule refresh, we'll be able to see what is the meaning of gateway connection. We have to expand this, then use a data gateway. We have no personal gateways installed. In my case, as it is not installed, looks like it's saying as now install now. Okay, and schedule refresh, if I go and try to observe also, it is disabled here. Until and unless you install this one, this will not be enabled for you. Once you install the personal gateway, then you provide the details. If I say daily morning 10 o'clock means daily morning 10 o'clock, it will go to this personal gateway corresponding mission and will try to access the data source. Are you getting my point? Okay, I am trying to click on here install now. I am clicking on it, for example. Then I got here on-premise data.exe. I got one file. This once it is download is completed, you can go and you can open when done. So it will open the installation screen. It is going to open. There you can install this one. And remember, all of you people are using whom's ID you are using. My ID are using, right?
Yes.
So for one ID, one personal ID only, one gateway only available, sir. Personal gateway. Personal gateway means what? For each ID, one gateway only available.
Oh.
You cannot configure it. I am configuring here, right? That will be available for you also.
Oh.
Okay, no need to configure from yours because all of three of us using what? ramreddy@dataexa.com.
Yeah.
Or one username wise, one permit, one gateway only available. Got it? Okay, there is no need to, you click on the install now option is not required for you. Okay, now it looks like it is available now. I'm trying to click on here, open when done. Then it is going to open. Shortly, it is going to open. Now it's trying to open. Looks like still, yeah, it is opened here. On-premise data gateway personal mode update. Getting ready to update the on-premise data gateway personal mode. Please review minimum requirements for installing the on-premise data gateway. Not meeting these requirements may result in performance bottlenecks. Install update to somewhere. I accept the terms here. Then click on here update. Now it's saying as updating your on-premise data gateway personal mode. Looks like in previous batch also I installed it. That's what it's saying as update. For you, it will say as install only. Got my point? This is the one software which is installing in your local machine. It is installing. It is very important on-premise data gateway. Yeah, it's trying to do it.
Ram, where can I see the my workspace in that you telling recently just now?
This one.
Where can I see that?
This one. Whenever you open your page, left side we have my workspace, right?
Means 1 minute.
Yeah, looks like my please wait while you check the I think it's completed. Now look here. Look over here. It is asking what here? It is asking what here?
Email address.
Email address.
Email address. So one personal gateway will be available associated with or mapped with one mail ID.
Yeah.
I am mapping with the my mail ID. I am mapping Ram Reddy @dataexa.com. Now I am trying to click on here sign in. So one email address will be mapped with one data gateway. It is mapped with, and it is this data gateway is installed in which machine it is installed? My local machine, my local computer. It is installed. Sign into your account. So I am trying to sign in. This is what my login. I am trying to sign in. It is working. It is loading. Still it is loading. Right now it's saying as the gateway is online and ready to be used. Gateway version number is this one. Okay, service settings, something is available. Restart the gateway. Diagnostics is available. Additional logging. Network is available. Connectors are available. Something like that. All the information is available. Click on the close here. Now, once we did that, now go to your lab 4 starting what we published just now. Click on the schedule refresh now. You can go and you can expand gateway connection now. Now, what it is saying here, it is running on what? This personal gateway is running on which machine it is running?
RRITC.
If
ITEC.
even you open also this option, you also will see running on RR ITEC only.
Yes.
Okay.
We are using
Why?
same.
Because what is my mission name? If you go to my mission, whatever we have here, whatever I have my mission, let us say I am going to the start. Sorry, I am going to the start. Then where I can see my computer name. Okay. So if you go to here, then the DPC, then go to the properties, DPC properties. If you go and try to observe, what is my computer name? RRITech. What is my computer name? RRITech. That is the reason it is saying as it is running on the RRITech. It is saying.
Okay.
For you also, you see same thing. So personal gateway software is installed where? In RRITech. That software is mapped with what mail ID? Dataexa at the rate of, sorry, ramreddy at the rate of dataexa. And using that gateway, we are trying to access this one lab4 starting. We are trying to map it. So now it's asking here data source credentials. Provide here country population by year.xlsx. 3 sources are available in that one, right? 3 sources information it is asking here. First, let us go for the Power BI.accdb. Power BI.accdb is what? Our access database, right?
Access
Yes.
data.
Click on here, edit credentials. If you click on edit credentials, it's asking the path. Where is the path it is asking? Where is the path it is asking? So this path is not available means, this path is not correct means we have to go out, we have to provide the correct path. Actually, when I published it, I didn't notice it. This path is wrong actually, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
When I was published, this path is wrong. So in my case, it has happened like that. But generally, whenever we are publishing, we are going to provide the right path. That means it is going to the C drive, going to this path and accessing. Let me create same thing, DAT207X C drive. Then I am going for DAT. What is the name?
27. It's 207.
207X. DAT. Then 207X. Then inside this DAT207X, inside that Power BI.accdb. We go to RRITech training data set. So here I have the Power BI.accdb. This one I am trying to paste here, for example. Now this file is available here. Power BI.accdb is available here.
Okay.
Okay, now I am able to access that location. In the same location I have this file, right?
Yes.
Right. Now I can say click on now sign in. So now it's saying as okay, it is able to do it, and source is updated. Your updates data source have been applied. Now if I go and if I try to add something or delete something in the Power BI.accdb file, which is located in the location, this is the location. Then whenever you refresh here, whenever you schedule to refresh, I said here, let us say schedule refresh is equal to what happened? Still some of things are not happened. That's what it is. This is not enabled. Let me edit credentials this also and say as sign in. Failed to update data source. Yeah, see here, this is not able to access in this location. International is not there, right?
Yeah. No.
So that is the reason it is showing here error.
Oh.
What I am doing is now I am
Now.
going to the international one. Let us go to the Power BI. Let us go to the lab data. In lab 1, there is a international folder is available. This also I am moving to this location.
Data
After
0.
moving to this location, then if I go here, if I say sign in, this time it has to access it. See here, it is able to access it. Now this is also completed. Third one I am going. Third one also, it's like expecting this location only, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going and I'm trying to provide that file. What is the name of that one?
20.
Country, population by year. This one I am putting here. Now, if you go to here, then I say sign in, then it establishes connections. Once these all three credentials you corrected, your personal gateway is running, your lab for starting data source corresponding sources. What are the three sources are available? Three sources we are able to map to your C drive. Then your schedule refresh, whatever available, it is enabled for you. I can go and I can say now on. And I am saying as, for example, daily morning, let us say 4 o'clock, I want to run it. I said, let us say 4 o'clock, I said it, for example. Sorry, I am sorry. Okay, UTC this one, and I need to say daily I want to run it. Then UTC plus 5:30 timings, I want to run it. And if you want to add another time also, you can go on, you can add here another time. Let us say 3 o'clock, something 00 something AM, something like that. So daily, as per this time zone, 3 AM, I want to run it. It will be running in that time. And if it is any failures are happened, to whom you have to notify, you can go on, you can provide here failure notification mail to admin generally, right? Some name you can provide it. For example, in my case, I don't have that many email IDs. I am providing data.exa.com only. I am providing it. Are you getting my point? If I click on apply, every day 3 o'clock, it will go to this file, this file, this file in my C drive, and it verifies any updates are available or not. Updates are available means it will go and try to bring those things. Am I clear?
Yes, yes.
Subbu?
Yes, and okay, no issue.
Okay, that is what about the personal gateway and data refresh, what you have to understand. Please work on these three concepts. Today I explained three concepts. One is known as how to publish your report to Power BI service. That is the first concept. Second concept, how to share your report to your business users. Third concept, how to schedule your data set. How to schedule your data set, and what is personal gateway, how to install the personal gateway, how to map personal gateway to one mail ID. Once you mapped it, how to correct the paths and all, and how to schedule it, I explained it. Just try to practice these three things. And one more point is, now if I go and try to my this laptop, right, it is whatever I'm using is laptop, right?
Yes, yes.
If I shut down this laptop, what will happen? My
It will
gateway
close.
will be my gateway, whatever it's saying as running on the ITEC, will it able to run on the ITEC?
Yes, it's running mode only.
No, if I switch off my laptop,
Machine.
then
Okay.
it is going to show you for you also. If you log in our case, you log in, it will not show you running
Okay.
on ITEC because my ITEC machine is down, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
If you want to practice after half an hour, you want to practice it, let us say. You
Okay.
can install this personal gateway in your laptop, no problem. And you can configure the same mail ID, you can configure it. Because mine is anyhow down, right?
Yes, yes.
But
So can I create? Can I create my own ID for both Office 365?
Yeah, you can do that. Your personal gateway, you can configure with your own mail ID. Yes, yes.
It is an Office mail ID or personal mail ID?
Office mail ID only, work email ID only we want it. Personal mail ID, Gmail, Yahoo, like that, it will not accept.
Okay, means suppose if, my mail ID was Subaramaya @Sai India Private Limited. It is
That you
working,
can
huh?
accept. That will work. That will work. Any domain related private domains it will accept.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Right, sir. Thank
Okay.
you. Please practice this one. Bye bye.
Okay. Sir, sir,
Uh-huh.
sir,